Welcome to Homework Lib.
Hello students, in this question given as the initial velocity of the kit is 6.85 meter per second at angle 47.3 degree with the horizontal. When kit caught its then its vertical velocity becomes 0. So the vertical component of the final velocity is equals to 0 is given. Now we have to calculate the vertical height between the two climbers. So for the vertical climbers, the formula we will written as the final velocity, vertical component of the final velocity square, and the vertical component of the initial velocity square plus 2gh, where h is the vertical height between the two climbers. Now we will substitute their values. This is the 0 is given and is equals to this is the body is moving upward direction, so there will be the negative sign. Now this is the y component, vertical components of the initial, so vi cos theta, vertical component vi sin theta. So this will be 6.85 into sine of 47.3 degree whole square minus 2gh. So after calculation, we will get the h is equals to 5.03 whole square upon 2 into 9.8 is equals to 1.29 meter. Hope you find the video useful. Thank you.